It's the first comprehensive book about the world of commercial drones or the drone industry. There is no other book out there that takes a student from what is a drone and explaining the parts of each drone. So, we take them from what is a drone, what are the elements of flight, the basic elements of flight. We get them into maintenance, getting into FAA, the drone regulations. We're including in each chapter, at the end, there will be 5 sample questions that are they're similar in the areas of knowledge, how they're structured. They look just like FAA questions. There's 5 per chapter, so that's 55 questions. The number one is for these young men and women to get jobs. Some will go on to 4-year colleges. Some will go wherever and study engineering, or they could study agriculture, whatever. So what we try to do in the book is not only give them the basics, but to explain to them that if you are a commercial drone operator, this is a tool that you can take into almost any industry. You could be an employee for a surveying company or a construction company. You could work for the Forest Service and be a drone operator. If a kid says, hey, I really want to be a ranger, great. Be a ranger, but know how to use a drone because it's going to be so valuable. We want these kids to be able to take this information and apply it and go find jobs in various industries or independently become commercial drone operators. And they can do that at 16. If a kid graduates from high school, he's 18, he's got a drone, he's been practicing as an amateur, which he doesn't need his license. Then he goes and takes the FAA Part 107 exam. And then when he passes that, he is a certified commercial drone pilot, and he can go out and make money.